पुनः स्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। अद्य वयम् अनन्तर अभ्यासं पठामः। My dear 6th class students, today we are going to learn the 5th exercise of the first lesson. So learn slowly, learn thoroughly is our motto. First, even because it is your beginning, I am telling you each word, giving so much stress on each word that you must understand the words thoroughly. Chitram drishtva uttaram likhatha. Look at the picture and write the answer. See, first don't look at the answers which I have given already. First understand the question, then understand the answer, then you can note it down. Chitram drishtva uttaram likhatha. Look at the picture and write the answer. Yatha. Yatha means example. Balakaha kim karoti. What does the boy do? Balakaha pathati. Boy is reading. So you should remember that when balakaha is there, ti will come. Balakaha pathati. Balakau pathataha. Balakaha pathanti. Pathati ekavachanam. Pathataha dvivachanam. Pathanti iti dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. So you should understand like this: ti ekavachanam, taha dvivachanam, anti is bahuvachanam. Yatha balakaha pathati, balakau pathataha, balakaha pathanti. यथा वयं जानीमः बालक शब्द से एकवचने बालकः बालकौ बालकाः इति भवति। एवं क्रियापदं पठति पठतः पठन्ति, like this simultaneously it will be running. Ashwau kim kurutaha. Two horses. I told you it is only in Sanskrit that you will find dvivachana. Ashwau kim kurutaha. What are these two horses are doing? Ashwau dhawataha. Ashwau dhawataha. Horses are running. Kukkuraha kim kurvanti. Kukkuraha dogs. Kim what? Kurvanti do. What do these dogs do? Kukkuraha bukkanti. Kukkuraha bukkanti. Punaha ekavaram pathami. Balakaha kim karoti. Balakaha pathati. Ashwau kim kurutaha. Ashwau dhawataha. Kukkuraha kim kurvanti. Kukkuraha bukkanti. Anantara prashnam pashyamah. Have you? Chhatrau kim kurutaha. What are these two boys doing? Chhatrau tisthataha. Chhatrau tisthataha. They are standing. Tisthati means stand. Chhatraha tisthati. Chhatrau tisthataha. Chhatraha tishtanti. Krushakaha kim karoti. What does the farmer do? Krushakaha karshati. Karshati means plowing. You can see the picture and understand. Krushakaha karshati. Gajau kim kurutaha. गजौ किं कुरुतः गजौ चलतः गजौ चलतः आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग एकवचने ति द्विवचने तः बहुवचने अन्ति कृषकः कर्ष्यति गजौ चलतः छात्रौ तिष्ठतः इति अस्ति छात्रौ किं कुरुतः छात्रौ तिष्ठतः कृषकः किं करोति कृषकः कर्ष्यति गजौ किं कुरुतः गजौ चलतः षष्ठः अभ्यासः सिक्स्थ एक्सरसाइज पदानि संयोज्य वाक्यानि रचयता so for this you must remember that in the class I told you that एकवचनं द्विवचनं बहुवचनं बालकः बालकौ बालकाः for that always when balakah is there ti balakah pathati balakau taha balakau pathatah balakaah anti balakaah pathanti. For example, first you should know what is the meaning of these words. Gajaha elephants, simhau two lions, gayakaha singer, balakau two boys, mayuraha many peacocks, nrityanti they dance, gayati he sings, patataha those two are reading, chalanti they are moving, garjataha those two are roaring. Next gajaha iti bahuvachane asti gajaha nrityanti iti bhavati but that is the correct but do the elephants dance? Who is famous for dancing? Who is famous? That is the peacock. Khalo then gajaha bahuvachane asti tasmat kim bhavati chalanti gajaha chalanti. Simhau dvivachane asti pathati patataha simhau patataha iti bhavati. Do the lions read? No. Simhau garjataha simhau garjataha gayakaha gayati balakau patataha mayuraha nrityanti. So we will see the answers now. The answers are coming with you in front of you. Please see these answers. Gajaha chalanti simhau garjataha gayakaha gayati balakau patataha mayuraha nrityanti iti bhavati. Kala next also same thing we are going to continue just like mayuraha is there bahuvachanam so you will write nrityanti gajau chalataha vrikshaha phalanti simhau garjataha vanaraha khadati ashwaha dhavati. Shall we see? The answers are in front of you now. Mayuraha nrityanti peacocks dance. Gajau chalataha two elephants are walking. Vrikshaha phalanti trees are giving fruits. Bearing fruits. Trees are bearing the fruits. Simhau garjataha two lions are roaring. Vanaraha khadati so the monkey is eating. Vanaraha means monkey. Ashwaha dhavati. Horse is running. I hope you understood. Ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam evam bhavati. And these are all the nouns. Mayuraha, Gajau, Vrikshaha, Simhau, Vanaraha. These are all the nouns. For them, we have got pronouns. While teaching the lesson, I told you. Saha means he who is away. Eshaha means he who is near. Balakaha, balakau, balakaha, saha, tau, te. I told you. Remember? Saha balakaha, tau balakau, te balakaha. So like that. Now for the sake of nouns, we are using the pronouns. For example, saha tau te ityetebhyaha uchitam sarvanama padam chitva riktasthanani purayata. Just like Ashwaha dhavati. Horse is running. He is running. Saha dhavati. Saha dhavati means he runs. Gajaha chalanti. Gajaha bahuvachanam asti. Te iti bahuvachanam. Te chalanti. Chhatrau pathataha. Two boys are reading. That's why we say tau pathataha. Vanaraha kridanti. Monkeys are playing. They are playing. Te kridanti. Gayakaha gayati. Singer sings. Saha gayati. He sings. Mayuraha nrityanti. Peacocks are dancing. They are dancing. That's why te nrityanti. This is how we get pronouns. Saha tau te. Balakaha balakau balakaha. This is how we have learnt akaranta pullinga shabda. The summary of this lesson is the words which end with a, they are called akaranta. In that we have got pullinga, strilinga and napumsakalinga. In the first lesson we have learnt pullinga shabdas only. They are pullinga shabdas are in ekavachana, dvivachana, bahuvachana. Just like balakaha, balakau, balakaha. And in Sanskrit always subject will come first and the verb will come in the end. So always there is a connection between subject and the verb. That's why when balakaha is there, when ekavachana is there, the kriya pada will end with ti. If dvivachana is there, the kriya pada, the verb will end with taha. If the verb subject is in bahuvachana, the verb will end with anti. Balakaha patati, balakau patataha, balakaha patanti. And we have learned the pronouns too. Saha taute is the pronoun for the verb nouns in the akaranta pullinga. So I hope you understood well. Bhavatu shubhadinam, bhavatu anudinam. Agamini saptahe akaranta strilinga shabdan patama. So in the next class we will learn akaranta strilinga. So be at home, stay happy, learn happily. Bhavatu shubhadinam, bhavatu anudinam. Dhanyavadaha.